It's Devauna.
Today we're gonna build that booty, sculpt, and tone those abs, and guess what? No gym equipment is needed. All you need is yourself. So let's get out there and let's give it all that we've got. This is just the beginning.
Feeling really warm.
Yeah. Keep it going. Almost there. The next one will be arm scissors. So we are scissoring up, one arm over the other, and same with the other side. So we're alternating.
Shoulder. Let's see that.
We're taking deep breaths. Inhale.
Excuse me. Don't take water. Swing. Cause this bomb squad, baby. Bomb squad. Anthony Joshua. Sit down. Bam. Oh, you're done. We'll leave your teaser. Just get Snickers. Have a quick break. And then come back and bust with the head. Yeah. What touch you?
Vana.
Mayo, what we gotta do? It's called shadow boxing. Shadow what? Him have to try to fight him shadow. No. Him shadow, I try to fight him. No. Him shadow, I try to fight my shadow. My youth, stay away from me shadow. No, Mom. I'm just practicing my boxing. I was thinking of having a fight, innit? Mans? Which mans? Me, Mum. I'm the mans. So why you never just say me when you say mans? Cause at that time, me would have realized you was talking about me. By me, I mean you, when you was talking about mans. At that time when you was saying mans. Because when you just say mans, you would have made me realize that you was talking about... What was I saying? I'm having a boxing fight, Mom. Alright. Why you never just say, my youth, me can help you? Me never did tell you, say, I used to teach my Tyson. What? Yeah, man. Me teach him everything he know, including the... What? You know. Huh? Nibbling, biting, sucking. Hold on there, let me just stop you there, come on. Which part of me a suck? My youth, me no do them things there. I am a Christian Jamaican. Okay.
But it's okay. I'm gonna
Anyway,
make it
come on. Let me help you. Mom, you do realize you're still in your yoga clothes? Alright. I'll just change. Help me. Ready? Whoa, Mom, that was quick. Yes, just like how quickly I'm at boxing. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You know what I mean? Make up that rhyme there, not my Ahmed Ali. Now I know you're lying. And why is that? Mom, Ollie is like double your age. Mom, me boy, I have a lot to teach you. Hold on there. Let me teach you another rhyme that me make up. Ready? Black don't crack. Bet you never heard that one before. Actually, I have. Fenty Beauty keeps your mother looking like a cutie. Dragon keeps your mother strong like a lion. get on with the boxing. Get this over with. Okay. Give me a left jab. Okay. Good. Alright now. Give me a right hook. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Nothing. Give me a jab. A left jab. Good. Alright. Give me another one. Alright, cool. 3. Good. 5. 8. Oh, finish. Alright. 10. Is there something wrong with me using my right? No. Alright. Okay. Give me a right hook. Just stop it. Man, bro, man. My youth, where did I find my youth?
Oh my God. Is this really happening? Okay, this is really happening. She's trying to punch me. Okay, so what should I do here? Think, Devauna, think. So, if I hit my own mum, I might as well be signing my own death wish. I mean, she's never gonna cook for me again. You can't have that. But if I let her hit me, oh, she's going to tell the whole world. I mean, even the Queen would hear about this. Not to mention, if she chins me, she could really knock me out. Okay, so the best option for me to do is to dodge it. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna dodge her punch. I'm gonna dodge it.
Why would you move? Well, why would you try and punch me? You think that you're so big, but I'm strong? I mean, 5 days from now. 5 days from now. Me, you, in a boxing match. Mom, come on. It's already decided. Rice and peas, rice and peas. Strong like a lion, strong like a lion. Rice and peas, rice and peas. Strong like a lion, strong like a lion. There she is. Mama, you sure you're ready for this work? Come in, man. Come and get it. You sure you want this, yeah? Come inside. Come and get this work. She don't want it. Are you sure you're ready for this, Mom?
No.
What?
Yeah. See, the boxing enough for me. So, they bring someone for you.
What's this?
No worries, Devauna. Just do to him what you do to me. I'm sure it'll work.
Mom, I'm sorry,
Good, yo Bogayo, you got knocked. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to your mother. Mother boy.
No need to us sucking. Calm down. Alright.
Action.
Alright, one second.
Dragon. I'm a lion. Make me strong like a lion.
Bro, what happened?
He actually threw it in my. I wasn't even acting. Ain't your hand hurting? That's it. Put this down when you're moaning. Go to.
Why would you do that?
Your hand's hurting. I'm gonna punch you for real.
That's what I get, yeah.